Thinking about buying new blinds for your North Jersey home? Stop. This one common mistake, choosing the wrong service model, could cost you thousands in replacements and buyer's remorse down the road. Before you head to the store, watch this full comparison guide. I'm Denise, and today we're doing an objective, deep dive comparison between two of the biggest names in our area, Blinds to Go and Made in the Shade North Jersey. To make the right choice, you first have to understand that these aren't just different brands. They are completely different ways of buying. Let's start with the retail powerhouse, Blinds to Go. If you live in Bergen or Passaic County, you've seen their massive showrooms on Route 17 or Route 4. They are built for volume and speed. Because they manufacture their own products, they can offer quick turnaround times for standard windows. Their model relies on you going to them. You walk in, see the products in a warehouse setting, and make your selection on the spot. It's a solid choice if you have standard-sized windows, a tight timeline, and you're comfortable handling the measurements yourself to save on cost. But what if your home has unique architecture or you want a more personalized designer touch? That's where Made in the Shade comes in. Made in the Shade is what we call an in-home boutique. Instead of you going to a store, the entire showroom and the expert comes to you. This is critical because lighting changes everything. A fabric that looks great under warehouse fluorescence might look completely different in your living room. Beyond aesthetics, they handle the technical side. Custom measurements ensure a perfect fit, which is vital for those beautiful, oversized Bergen County colonials. You also get access to premium, high-performance brands like Hunter Douglas that you simply won't find at retail direct manufacturers. Now let's talk about the service life cycle, from installation to long-term support. This is where the price gap often pays for itself. With the retail model, you're often on your own for installation or hiring a third-party contractor who might not know the product nuances. With Made in the Shade, you get white-glove professional installation. They ensure everything operates perfectly before they leave your home. And because they are locally owned right here in North Jersey, if you ever have an issue, you're calling a neighbor, not a corporate hotline. If you're refreshing a rental property or a guest room where good enough is the goal, the retail direct route is a smart, budget-conscious move. But for your primary living spaces, where quality, insulation, and motorization matter, the designer boutique approach is almost always the better long-term investment. Ultimately, window treatments are the jewelry of your home. They frame your view and control the entire mood of your space. My expert advice? Choose Blinds to Go for speed, standard sizes, and high-volume retail pricing. It's great for what it is. But if you want a custom high-end look with professional precision and local expertise that truly understands North Jersey architecture, Made in the Shade is the choice that lasts. Drop a comment below. Are you team retail or team boutique? I hope this helps you make the right choice for your home. Click the link in the description below for our free North Jersey Blinds checklist. Stay tuned for more North Jersey design tips. As always, design fearlessly.